Hello out there, all my crafty friends. I wanted to come on here and do a quick video of a kit I ordered from my crafty bestie, Faydra Jones. She has videos and she has some Valentine kits for sale. I think she's got some still for sale. But I wanted to share with you guys real quick. Of course, it was wrapped really pretty, and it's still some of it's wrapped up, but I've already gone through it, or opened it up anyway. But I wanted to share it in case anybody wants to go check her out. Her YouTube channel is Faydra Jones, and then there's a link to her shop. But this is a Valentine's kit, and she sent all these little goodies, and she goes through everything very meticulously in her videos, so if you want to go check it out, she sends you all these little precious little goodies here, and a lot of her stuff is very vintage and really cool. This is one of her felted hearts that she makes. She's so talented. And a vintage button, which is really cool. Sorry, I hit my camera. But all these little goodies, and I think all of her kits are, well, there's another felted heart. There's two felted hearts. And she had one of the little things wrapped with some of this twine, which would be fun to use. And when I get through some of my other projects, I'm going to make a Valentine mini. And there's a ton of stuff packed into this little bag. Some playing cards. King of Hearts, of course. It's just got them all upside down. Some nice little, look at the little bitty cards, aren't they cute? Just real quick. And these are some vintage Valentines, I think, that she scanned. And some of her little hand cut hearts. Just all these really neat little pieces. I can't wait to play with this. I might have to put my other stuff aside and maybe work on this weekend. It looks like a lot of fun. Some vintage stamps. I love this. Isn't that cute? Precious. Just really neat. A bunch of her little hand-cut hearts. Little vintage pieces. Fun for layering, and just all kinds of little goodies in here. And I think she's got some small kits, and then she's got a big kit, and this is one of her big kits. I love these. Look at that. Mermaid. And some more stamps. These little vintage little pieces with the numbers on them. Almost look a little price tag. It's a little bitty little heart paper clip. I'll try not to make this too long. And some other little bits and pieces in here. I can put my glasses on so I can see. Another little paper clip, and look at this little bitty flower. Can y'all see that? Little bitty flower. And some little heart brads. It's really cute. Can't wait to play with this. Oh, there's more in here. And I love this little bag. Some more hearts. Oh, these are painty hearts that she painted, and it feels like watercolor paper, nice thick paper. More cards. Look at the little teacup and cupcake. A Valentine. And little stamps. And this is a little Hallmark card. Isn't that cute? And it's embossed. Oh, look, okay. Neat. So you can tuck something up underneath there. Cute. So that's all those little pieces. Oh, and there's some little bitty beads here. And another little heart. And then this is the fabric. Let's see if I can do this without, yeah, there we go. With a real pretty piece of tulle. So she's got all these little trims in here. This is gonna be really pretty. And I'm sure these are, I think she says these are vintage. Vintage rickrack, vintage laces, and trim. Isn't that pretty? Look at the little bitty pink rickrack. And some of her pieces of vintage fabrics. Look at all this. Just beautiful. I can't wait to play with this Faydra. And I'm sure it's more than what, you could do more than one journal out of it, or you could make cards, or you know, whatever you want to do. It's nice linen fabric, and the gingham I love the little pink gingham. It's really nice. And these would also go cute. Little bits of it would go really cute in other things. Like I'm working on some kids books, and this would be really cute. And little girl journals. Or look at this. This is gorgeous. That is beautiful. I'm not sure what she said that was from. Maybe an old tablecloth or something. I don't know. I'll have to go back and watch the video again. And then she had things wrapped in the nice tissue paper, which you can also use. So that's all the fabric. And then look at this. This is an old piece of vintage wallpaper. Is that not gorgeous? And some of her wrapping paper. I love this too. This is beautiful. This would be beautiful on a cover. I think that's what I might use that on a cover. And then some more of her vintage wrapping paper. Really pretty. And then she had everything very nicely packed in this box. Like this, flattened. That, and then the washi tape I took and stuck it here so I can reuse it, the little XO washi tape. And then she had the washi tape, the little heart washi tape on the bag. And I've kept that so I can use that. Here's some of her other vintage things. Look at that. This huge playing card, which is awesome. That'll be fun. And then I think she said these were, this was like wrapping paper samples. So she put some bits and pieces of each one of those. And there's a ton in here. Really, really nice. And this is nice. It's nice texture. It's not real thick, it's not real thin, it's silky. It's really pretty. And this is a nice, oh, this almost feels like a handmade type of paper. And I love this. It's a vellum. And these, I think these are pieces of scrapbooking paper. Yeah. And then there's a banner. And look at these are gorgeous. These doilies. And I don't have a lot of that, I love them. And look at this. This is gorgeous. This would be awesome as a stencil, although I wouldn't want to mess it up. I don't know, you could make pockets out of it, or just gorgeous. Love it, Faydra. Some of her Coffee or tea stain paper. One of her little clips that I love, these little clips. The vintage Valentine, the little kitty. So cute. I love the little kitty cats. And then she's put little dictionary pages in here. Some of her shorthand pages, which I love. She finds the neatest vintage stuff. She always manages to find things that I don't find a lot of around here, which is really cool. Some really nice book pages, and this really nice silky feeling, nice texture. Some old vintage receipts, it looks like. Yeah, pretty cool. $19.27. Is that what that says? Wow, pretty cool. It's another invoice, some vintage music pages. And a calendar piece. Look at this. Is that not the cutest little girl? I love it. It reminds me of my granddaughter Peyton. I wanted to figure out how to scan that and make it a little bit smaller so I could use it on a cover too. That would be so cute. And then, yeah, she gave me the February 1966 because that was the year I was born. Really cool. Anyhow, so that is one of her kits that I purchased, and she's got a couple of more, unless she sold them all. So y'all go check her out. This is amazing, Faydra. I can't wait to use it. And since we are crafty besties, she also sent me some other things. So I'm gonna do another video and share that. Anyhow, I just thought I would share this with you. You guys need to go check her out. She's super talented, and she has some really cool things, and she's also got some other cool videos, and she makes dolls and stuff. But if you don't know Faydra and you hadn't seen any of her work or anything, go check her out. Anyhow, you guys have a great evening. Bye.